Good morning, guys. First of all, you have welcome in my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you about Vedic mathematics. This is what I feel from my heart to show you, show your kids, show your children to learn Vedic mathematics. This is very important. You have heard the 16 sutras that is in Vedic mathematics is very crucial and important for our life. You can imagine it. You can learn Vedic mathematics and solve the problem of mathematics within a second, like the computer or electronics devices like calculator do. Before that, you can solve by your mind. Just a trick and techniques that the Vedic mathematics is really so impressive and exceptional. So I I want to say that please teach your children, or you can try yourself also at the age of 90 or any age. This is really mathematics lover for all the mathematics lover. This is not like boring on all the current scenario of the mathematics, complex mathematics is going on. The previously, the ancient time, the Indians, Vedas, that's the religious, our religious grounds, all that covers the scientific terms, scientific biology, Vedic mathematics is also a part of that one. So this is very important. Suppose, for example, I want to tell you, like if you have to multiply 10 digits number, okay? So how will it take time to calculator? Either 1 second, 2 second. So you can do before that. Some ladies, some also are part of the world are doing so good job and paid by it, by working on it. So he can understand this is our religious, our Vedas mathematics. You not only you, all the person can learn and solve this. This is the feelings in mathematics. You can, if you have children, you can tell them from beginning, from adding, subtraction. There is very important 16 sutras you have to know. And in ancient time, you can heard about that the mathematics is not just like nowadays is boring subject that have made all the English system on all this that one. We have believe in the ancient times and how mathematics have made and teaches to all of us. That was very important to our life. And today I will also show you how this Vedic mathematics can you buy from and where. I want to show you first. So simply write down Vedic mathematics buy. Okay. If you have to buy, so I'm gonna tell you this is in the sale discount on the Flipkart. So Vedic mathematics English paper black Tirthji Bharti Krishna. So this is only in the rupees of 210. Okay, so you can buy this. Or if you buy in another model like not in English, if you want to buy in Hindi, you can also buy that one. Like yeah, Vedic mathematics. This is once it is loaded, it will be yeah, Vedic mathematics by Bharti Krishna Tirthaji. Yeah, that's true. So this is also in the English. Okay. So yeah, the language is in English. So no problem. This is also comes in Hindi. Uh, I'm going to tell you. If you look at this Vedic mathematics, okay, okay, Vedic mathematics in Hindi. If I search here, okay. So this is all Vedic mathematics. Yeah. in Marathi. Okay, if someone want to learn the Vedic mathematics in Marathi, then he can also learn. So I am now taking for Hindi. Yeah, Vedic mathematics, Bharti Krishna ji, and the language is English here also. So no problem. Okay, so this is the in Hindi Vedic Ganit. Okay, in Hindi it is called as Vedic Ganit. That is also written by Bharti Krishna Tirth ji. So it is in the only 2018 rupees. I have also purchased it, and this is very very important. And I have also uh, like it for all of you to learn at least. So you will definitely fall in love with this book. This is exceptionally unimaginable book. So this is the book that I have told you, in also in Hindi. You can. So this is all I want to tell you for today, guys. Okay. Hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe and like and follow. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.